15 degrees Celsius lower than the required compaction temperature of the job mix formula. So 15 degrees Celsius lower than the required compaction temperature of the job mix formula. So answer here is rejecting material. Okay, best answer lang to guys, no? Again, best answer lang siya. If ever na meron pa kayong makitang best answer sa choices, so possible kasi na magbago yan. Okay? So ito yung question based lang sa na encounter nila before. Next, what will you do when the aggregate sample materials such as base course pass the requirements of quality test except for grading? So answer is process again the aggregate materials by blending. So ito common na rin to. So familiar sa akin tong question na to. Next, calibration of the universal testing machine. So answer is yearly. So calibration of UTM is yearly. And then minimum volume of asphaltic material. Answer is 5 liters. Pero nag-concern sila last time. Sabi nila wala daw yung 5 liters sa choices. Ang nearest na nasa choices is 4 liters daw. Okay? Kaya ginawa nila 4 liters na lang sila. Then yung iba naman nag-complain. Yung iba nagpakita pa ng reference na 5 liters dapat ang sagot. So nag 4 liters yung iba tapos nag-note na lang na kung ano yung pinaka-correct answer. So ayun. So if ever na may mga erroneous na or may mga mali sa question, i-raise nyo lang sa proctor. Pag mga ganyan, i-manual na lang nila yan. Okay? So nasa table natin ito na sa discussion. So balikan nyo na lang din. Yung minimum volume of asphaltic material doon sa minimum testing requirements na table. Okay, so yung type A3 sand, so that is fine sand, A3. And then thickness of reflectorized thermoplastic crumble strips. For standard, this is 4 to 13 mm. Okay, so next, what is the condition of top coat before applying? So answer is tacky. So same as sticky. So parehas lang sila na meaning, tacky or sticky. Condition of top coat before applying. Next, so how many spears are used in abrasion test? Grading D at 500 revolutions. So answer is 6 spears. Yan, so may table din yan before doon na-discuss natin. So pakicheck na lang yung table. Okay, parang nung March, ang lumabas dyan, grading C. Tapos itong September last year, grading D naman yung lumabas. So 6 spears. Okay, so please check the table for this one. Next, plaster not used within blank. So this is 90 minutes. Not used within 90 minutes from the start of initial mixing shall be discarded. The next, which of the following practices is acceptable to use to bring down the temperature of the concrete mix? So answer is all of the above. So meron tayo itong add crush ice to the mix. So allowed naman to. So sprinkler water to the aggregates. And then pwede rin yung use chilled water for the mix. Okay, all of the above yan. And then for item 106, compaction equipment and density control strips. Control strips shall have an area approximately blank and shall be the same depth of the course or layer it represents. So based on standards, this is 335 square meters. Okay. Next, after placement of concrete, how long shall precast concrete members be subjected to pre-steaming before it will be subjected to steam curing? So per standard, this is minimum of 4 hours. Then last is how many CBR tests? So computation lang naman do. How many CBR tests is required if the estimated volume of item 201 materials as per program of works is 18,700 cubic meters? So this value divided by 2,500 per standard ng CBR test. Answer is 7.48. Round up to 8. Therefore, answer is 8 CBR test. Okay? So actually madami pa namang nabigay before sa sa group chat ng September reviewees. So hindi ko na nilagay lahat na kasi iba umulit na lang sa pre-board at refresher. Yun, aralin niyo lang din, malaking bagay yan. So sila din dati marami silang binilikan sa lectures. Sinabi nila na, sir, ito lumabas sa exam niya. Binabalikan yung mga slides. Okay? So ayun, that ends our lecture for today. So if ever na may questions kayo guys, so feel free to message na group. And then ayun, medyo kulang tayo sa time na kasi yung Q&A natin, so wala masyadong nagtatanong. So I think medyo na kayo, prepared na. Kasi sa mga scores nyo, sa quiz matataas. So matataas yung mga so ilan na lang din yung mga kailangan pa ng improvement and review para mas tayo. Mataas yung scores na makuha natin. Okay? So dagdagan ko na lang yung lecture ko sa refresher 3. So again, yung refresher 3, take 2.5 minutes or na well done. Then mag-add na lang ako mag-extend ako ng hours for additional problems. Okay? So kung wala ng question, end ko na yung discussion. Okay? Thank you guys. Happy reviewing.